Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking books. If you don't know, well, my name is Sharon Howat and I help network marketers get seen, loved and selling using social media and YouTube. But I also create books for consultants and crafters. And that was one of the questions. And this is why I'm doing today's video. So if you've not subscribed yet, hit that button, subscribe to my channel because there's lots of stuff I put up throughout the week. It could be to do with network marketing, it could be to do with order books, or it could be to do with makeup or hair curlers, who knows. But today's order books. Now, somebody messaged me last night asking about, she does crafts, she does knitting. Do I have an order book for that? And I was like, yeah, I do have one, but I haven't got a video. So let's do a video. And this is the book that I do have. It's called Handmade by Me, the order book. And this is perfect for Etsy sellers. It's for any craft. So it could be for your knitting. It could be for creating hair bands. It could be for anything that you make by hand. So let me tell you a little bit more. That's the front. That is the back. It is on Amazon. It's only $6.99. It has 111 pages. 100 of those, well, let's say 10 of those are these pages. I'm going to show you in a second, a bit closer. So these are your order forms. This is to help you keep track of your income. And then you've got 100 double pages. So you get 200 order forms in the book. So I'm going to share a little bit of my screen now so you can get a better look at this book. Okay. So let me just switch my camera over. And there we go. This is the book. I love it. It's so handy. I create all my books to make people's lives easier, and it really helps make people's lives easier. So in the book you get, as I said, let's go to the beginning. You can have the date, you can put the date on when you started the book, but these are the key pages. On here you get your income carried forward, and you can toggle it up at the bottom, and then obviously you carry your income forward again. So you have order numbers, your date of the order, the person who ordered it, and the total. Now the rest of the book is your order forms. So on here you simply have name, address, ordered via, so was it Instagram, was it Facebook, was it Twitter, was it Etsy, was it your website? And you can just put a tick in. How did they pay? Was it PayPal, bank, cash, however? Date, the order number, what date did you post it, did you do it by tracking, what's the order number? So what did they order? Was it, you know, a headband with blue polka dots, 2 of them, how much? And it's self-explanatory of the rest. And then you can also write in any notes that you need: paid, made, posted, and then you're done. And that's all that there is to that book. So it's suitable for, as I say, various crafts. It could be for bracelets, it could be for jewelry, headbands, knitting, crochet, any craft that you do, you can add everything into this book and keep a track of it instead of losing all the bits of paper, which I know we often do, because even I do that. I lose bits of paper. So the book is $6.99. It's A5. The measurements are 6.69 by 9.61 inches. So it's not, this is my norm. This is a notebook I do. So it's not just a little notebook book that's just your standard size. I'll actually show you for the comparisons of them both. So there you go. You can see this, the size difference. There is a visible size difference, because if you're in, I write big, and these order books are, you know, they're there to keep you on track. So it's a good size book on Amazon. I'm going to drop the link below. If there's no books on there that you see and you want one created, just let me know. Let me know in the comments, because this is where I take time out. I get creative. I create books and I enjoy doing it. So if there isn't anything you see, please let me know and I'll make you one. So there you go. Have a brilliant rest of the day.